In Delhi, they were touted as the new young wave after the Delhi election, but fizzled out within 49 days. And now, with their Lok Sabha pitch falling short, can the Aam Aadmi Party look for a Delhi comeback? Take a look at this story.
When Arvind Kejriwal gave up on Delhi after a 49-day stint, little did the party realize that the decision could backfire, even at the national level. Now, in an effort to regain the confidence of the people, Aam Aadmi Party reportedly reaching out at the Congress again to try another hand at running the Delhi government.
If AAP goes ahead with this, it must get adequate guarantees from the Congress, because the Congress betrayed it last time, that it is better to form a government soon than wait for Modi to solidify and then announce elections, say in October or September.
The Aam Aadmi Party's chances of returning to power have increased after 3 BJP MLAs were voted as MPs in the Lok Sabha polls.
That the Aam Aadmi Party is fearing that if Narendra Modi manages to solidify his position at the centre, Modi wave may just diminish up in the state level.
But the Congress in complete denial.
कि ना तो हमारे पास कोई ऐसा प्रस्ताव आया है और ना ऐसा कोई प्रस्ताव हमारे पास कंसिडरेशन में है और ना हम फिलहाल आप पार्टी को कोई सपोर्ट दिल्ली में देने जा रहे हैं.
And on Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that we would like to take the Congress support in forming the government. The assembly is in suspended animation.
Well, why did they refuse in the first place?
Not surprising though, the BJP high on victory, mocking Aam Aadmi Party's strategy.
कांग्रेस को भी दोनों को इतने बुरी तरीके से देश की जनता ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, वो अगर अब अनैतिक तरीके से सरकार बनाने के बारे में सोचते भी हैं तो मैं समझता हूं कि इससे बड़ा तो कोई पाप नहीं हो सकता. और दूसरी बात यह है कि अगर ऐसा करने के लिए सोचेंगे तो दिल्ली की जनता है जवाब देने के लिए.
Their 49-day tenure had its ups and downs, but it's clear that the Aam Aadmi Party is not keen on polls as of now. And with the BJP pushing for a re-election, Arvind Kejriwal's party is running against time to make their move. Bureau Report, Times Now.